Here's my bent wheel. I bent this wheel from a pothole in Los Angeles. I found affordable wheel repair through Yelp. Also met these new cool Monte Carlo SS owners at the shop. They were giving 5-star reviews, telling me about their great services. So I wanted to share this video with the shop as well as the people around Los Angeles.
All the way around, man. All right, cool. Hard working, good people, man. Yeah, for sure. All right.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, holy crap, man.
Yeah,
Oh, shoot. So you guys actually repaired this and it's going to be straight?
No, not this one. This one, you see how the machine's beeping it right now?
Yeah.
It's telling me that it's the center's warped, basically.
Oh, the center's
Yeah, the center's warped, yeah, on this one.
So it's beyond repairable?
Yeah, this one, yeah, you have to replace it.
Wow.
Yeah, so that one, it just had the small flat spot on the lip.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, big difference.
yeah. So
Wow.
you don't have any movement on the wheel itself. And if you see, now it's okay.
Wow. Awesome. Thank you guys so much, man. So that's when you were talking about the red, right?
Exactly, that's the rest of it needs to wait. Yeah. And once we're done,
Yeah.
it should be green. Should be in the green zone. You put ceramic coat on the inside too as well?
Yeah.
I could see it right now, it wasn't sticking out.
It wasn't sticking out.
Yeah, so this usually sticky, it won't stick out.
Now the green shows. What's this level?
It has to be under this level so you won't feel vibration. Because if it's over,
Yeah.
we don't get it and it's gonna vibrate.
Got it, yeah. Oh, you have to pressure it up like to the factory
To the factory pressure. Well, not factory pressure, whatever pressure you want, because now we're doing road force. So the road force, it has to be correctly on the dot. That's why I was asking you how much air pressure you wanted.
Got it. Oh, yeah, you can see it right there.
Right now.
Oh, shoot. That's pretty cool, man. Single weight solution found. Oh, that's where it's asking the wheel weight.
Exactly. So I had to remove the actual sticker to make it basically bond.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow, that was easy.
Yeah, that's it. You see, it's 31. But it makes sense because it's a used tire. If it would have been a new one, that's too much force.
Is it?
Yes. So it's like your shoe.
Yeah.
You buy them new.
Yeah.
You walk on them, right? Let's say you walk with the nib.
Yeah.
Now I put them on.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the hell? Why is one shoe kind of uneven?
Right.
That's because it's formed to your specs.
Right.
Now when I put them on and I start, let's say I walk right, what's gonna happen? The boots are gonna have a uneven. They're gonna be even by the time I'm done using them, right? Because now it's gonna have that wear. But that's what we're doing the wheel balance, because you're gonna have to drive it so that imperfection that the other wheels had, or just maybe it could be the alignment. It could have a lower flat spot that the tire has,
Yeah.
that's what it's indicating the road force.
Okay.
That's what you want.
Cool, man. That's the first time I've seen it. What would you say is a recommended threshold for the force on a new tire?
On a new tire, a lot of people say 18 to
18?
20.
18 to 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 18 to 20. That's what they say. But like I'm telling you, it's not so bad. Obviously, you're not gonna feel that much of a difference because this is a Michelin. Now, if you would have had like an off-brand Lionheart, maybe that one you start having some issues.
Oh,
We've seen those brand new
Yeah.
that they do have more force, brand new from factory that we've never been used and nobody's put them on just because of the quality. That's what you're paying for Michelin compared to that. The road.
Michelin.
Yeah.
Got it. Thanks for showing me that.
No worries.